Berekete on top the beat.
I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you.
My name is Sinehi, and this one a news Berekete on top the beat. National Association of Resident Doctors will be at Dongba Breku for their strike. S&P Global Platts don yarn say still get strong export potential of Nigeria's liquefied natural gas upon say our economy don dey shake because of coronavirus pandemic. They don base Zimbabwe Health Minister Obadiah Moyo after we call up arrest am so he pina $20 million for medical equipment.
Baby, now you I go pick
Federal government don bring out the first ever Nigerian National Standardization Strategy for 2020 and 2022. Chelsea don fight from back as they beat Aston Villa 2-1 and Oliver Giroud and Christian Pulisic na the score. Federal government don come and dey yarn dey provoke say they not like as some people take bus come scatter houses them wey dey for Nigeria High Commission staff quarter for Ghana. They don send joint body operational squad of Eko Olokpa, Army and Civil Defense go Mara local government for inside Zamfara. One person don kpufkpa for Kara Bridge wey tanker catch fire. Brazil cases of coronavirus don pass 1 million As Ondo State Deputy Governor wey be Agbola Ajayi don put biro for paper say no do again for APC as im come join PDP. Akwa Ibom State government don use canopy take cover Christ Embassy church for Uyo. Say because say they hear say they wan open the church for this coronavirus period. The Federal Capital Territory Administration don come out to come drown hand for ear for Okpo Miliki runs guests and people wey get club and bar say make dem not try am open at all say make dem wait for government until wey government go yarn the way say they go open Our Progressive Congress for Rivers State don give Gadomo last seat to Sidon wey Oyibo dey call suspension This na news Berekete for inside PG News Network and na me MC Nehi the man about and the yarn so.
I sing for you, wanna be like you do. Baby, now you I go pick up, I am Femi.